Previously on Escape.
She dey come, Aloy. Yes, now.
Like, she don't dey come like this now. Ah! Oh boy. Star low!
It's in the house. Bye.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Ah, oh, Stanley. Ah. God, which kind of yawa be this one now? Ah. Oh, fuck. See, calm down, see. Wait, calm down. You guy, room attendants never enter inside, Abi.
No.
See, guy, go first carry her put on top bed.
What?
Yes, no carry her put on top bed first. Me no look suspicious. Maybe like say she dey sleep. You understand? In case anything go enter now, no understand the matter.
Okay.
Ah, fuck. Ah, shit. Wait, calm down. Wait, guy, my head is bone first. Ah. Carry her. Shall go for. Shit. Stanley. Your guy. Can you fuck up? This guy never this. I not this bad guy. For me, that. What is the problem now?
See.
Can't you do that kind of thing now?
She's actually patient.
Asthma.
Yes.
Hey. Fuck.
Wait. Wait for me. You go to the one that's let me go. After picking phone, you understand?
Okay.
So, now go to the bathroom.
Okay.
So, fresh you understand?
I understand. I don't understand.
So, on my way, just like that.
Just like that. You don't touch him.
No.
Hey.
I was suspecting.
Wait.
Now listen to the
I'm okay, please.
Wait. So, no. Yeah. Her head was. She was trying. Maybe she tried to get the healer. She's trying herself.
When she take by like that. Will you say go for all the girls now? Asthma can I go carry? Eh? Oga, come on, this kind of love now. What is it about love? See, you go this story now. We go this story now. They talk. Oh, see, guy, you don't keep listening. If anybody eventually enter here like this guy, or more, me I go deny you.
What am I going to do? What are we going to do?
Calm down. Which one? What are we going to do? Guy, you're a mess. Why you fix you up?
You are my friend.
See, no. What's even the matter of say friend matter?
Yes.
Guy, you're a mess. You got clean your mess.
You don't got to pass with
See,
you.
hey, see.
You know,
Stanley,
we are a friend for a long time.
I will leave you here. No. What did they tell me?
Wait.
What shall we say this thing?
What are we going to do? You are my friend. You
Guy,
don't got to pass through with you.
Guy,
Wait.
first. Remember, I did my D. You call me. Say make I lap your load.
Yes.
I lap your load. The police see this kind of matter.
We are a friend. Why you shout?
Oga, they tell me that matter.
We have to have a solution for this.
See, Oga, clean it up. You know who's supposed to overlap me like yourself? Wait till they
We
talk.
need to reason it together. We are a friend. That's what we are.
Reason am together waiting.
Yeah.
Almost see. Stanley, wait. 2 minutes. As in, why won't come?
No, let me pick on her. Wait.
I'll
tell the dad that
like this something you walk your abi. So the pick the corner, waiting wanted the dad.
Just like she's sleeping.
Guy, you get sense. Hi, fuck. You worst.
Wait, you know what? I can pick and use woman voice. I can change my voice. You understand? I can change my
Guy,
voice
you
to woman.
stupid.
That's what I'm saying.
See that won't take. It's you. Guy, calm down, wait. You do this, man. You think you fast forward, let me you fuck up. You go, just imagine you not get by. Smoke up.
What am I going to do? See, that is still calling. That is calling. Jeff.
So go, you stupid. Calm down. Smoke up. Fuck.
What am I going to do now? Talk.
Okay, wait till the soap. Like this man, a woman now, if you hospital call. You understand? Woman. As they call me, the young receptionist want to see. You understand? We bring her in. Me she help us sit there. What do you think?
That's what my friend. But wait, if you carry lady come and she knows her body here, what's she going to see?
That one say not true. Huh? Shit. Okay, see, guy. Look who carry up inside bathroom. You understand? Who carry like this now?
Yes.
Put her inside bathroom. Then I take it. You understand? God.
Load it down.